Welcome to the Daily Robo 2 trading strategy system. In this video, I'm going to show you why this is one of the most profitable trading systems there is. I mean, it's simple to use and it can be amazingly effective. This method is also one of the main methods we use here at the Trading Lounge, and so far it has been returning consistent profits. At the beginning, it might look complicated to execute, but soon you will see that implementing this effective trading system is something really easy. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to know about this profitable system is that it is very much like the Daily Robo Trading System 1. This means that in the Daily Robo 2 trading system, the trade is not reversed, although this system does trade long and short, but it is stop out or target reached. Daily Robo Trading Strategy can be used for shares and CFDs, and as I said, with this trading strategy you can trade both long and short. The trades can go from 1 to 10 days, although the average trade is 3 to 4 days. Also, there's one thing that I should mention, and that is that the Daily Robo 2 trading strategy system can be used in any chart. Here's how it works. Each day will give you the prices for the trade, also the entry, initial stop and trailing stop. There's one thing that is important to mention. You will get updates of the trailing stops each day along, and also, if needed, notes on the trade or any significant change in tactics. It's simple, effective and most importantly, it truly works like a charm. To be honest, it can't get easier than this. You see, there's nothing like this out there. Daily Robo 2 trading strategy system is truly a plug-and-play approach to trading, and once you run it, you don't have to worry about anything else. All that you have to do is to place the orders each and every day with your broker and focus on more important things in your life. Now, every trading system is not 100% bulletproof, but you can be absolutely confident that the Daily Robo 2 trading strategy system truly works well and also generates interesting profits. Remember that we use this exact system here at the Trading Lounge, and so far the results are excellent.